What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on SOFI ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news, with amazing fundamental news related to Anthony Noto. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here. At this point, when we hit and technically we broke the range of 0.382, it is the Fibonacci retracement range from this bottom, this swing low, to this swing high. And I've told you that we should have the retracement all the way down, and we've completed all 5 wave structure. And my main assumption was that we should hit some lower levels and then we might have a trend reversal. As you can see from the golden pocket pattern, we had a very good bounce to the upside. But unfortunately, it didn't hold this momentum, and it went up for about 6.5%, but then it went lower and broke this support line. So for now, we have decent chances to have a trend reversal, and we have the same targets, and I will show you them in my technical analysis. But for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you the most impressive news that on March the 4th, Anthony Noto purchased 15,000 shares worth of roughly $150,000. And he bought it at the price point of $9.96. And definitely it is a very strong sign that Anthony Noto is bullish on SOFI. And he increased its position, and definitely it is a very good sign that C executives, especially the CEO of this company, buy this dip. So, and let me show you on top of this information, if you take a look on the bigger picture of institutional owners, we have a lot of new buys. For example, as you can see right here, Vanguard added its position, and its position for now is more than $136.3 million, and it increased its position by almost 10%, and it is only one branch of Vanguard Group. Next one, again, Vanguard added 8.42% to $7.4 million. Next one, let me show you right here. Added about 9% to $271.8 million. Next one, added 8% to $74.9 million. Next one, 3.7% to $7.1 million. And definitely, this price action indicates that a lot of institutional investors want to have this asset in their portfolio, and that's why I think it is a very good sign. So let me show you some news related to SOFI student loans. And this article was published on USA Today, and it was published just 19 hours ago, and it says, Biden administration considering extending freeze on student loan payments. And let me quote you this. President Joe Biden's administration is considering extending the freeze on federal student loan payments before it expires in May, White House Chief of Staff Ron Klein said in an interview this week. Asked about the Department of Education legal memo about the president's authority to cancel student debt on podcast Pod Save America, Klein said, the president is going to look at what we should do on the student debt before the pause expires, or he'll extend the pause. And here's the most interesting fact. Joe Biden right now is the only president in history where no one's paid on their student loans for the entirety of his presidency, Klein added. And definitely it is extremely unusual to have this pause for more than 2 years. And let me show you the Anthony Noto's opinion. Chief of Staff Ronald Klein shared on Pod Save America that clarity is coming for student loan borrowers. Great. Now let's get it done once and for all. American taxpayers deserve clarity. And let's continue. What did he add? The original intent of the moratorium was great, it delivered, but as the economy rises, it has cost taxpayers $150 billion. Another extension could cost $60 billion more, enough giving relief to wealthy grads. Distressed and defaulted borrowers need a permanent solution now. Joe Biden should show leadership and make a good on his word to forgive $10,000 in student loan debt for people struggling to make ends meet and bring affluent borrowers back into payment on May the 1st. No waffling based on political wins. Do the right thing. SOFI refinances student loans to help people pay off debt at a lower rate. Our call for forgiveness may come at a direct or indirect cost or benefit. Either way, it's the harder right thing to do instead of the easier path of indecision, wasting taxpayer money. So, and I completely agree with Anthony. Something should be done with this decision. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you the bigger picture. Let's switch to 4 hours time frame and let me show you this price action. As you can see, we consistently have lower lows and lower highs, and right here, right after their earnings report, we have a massive volume, and unfortunately it is the red volume. This means we have to be cautious with our swing trade position with this asset, but all in all, as long as this pivot holds, as long as we didn't break $8.51 price point, we are in neutral territory because we didn't break the top of our previous swing high. It is the range of about $13.72, and we didn't break the previous swing low. This means the consolidation phase might last quite some time, and we might hover for several days or several sessions in the ranges in between $9.6 to maybe $12.3, and then we should have a next leg. And the direction of this leg, with the conviction of volume, will show the real path of the next movement. And the price targets, I have to say, for the investors of this asset are still the same. The main price target is this one. It is $18.7. It is the golden pocket, and it is the range if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this bottom. And it is the 65, the range in between 0.618 and 0.65 Fibonacci levels. And statistically, it is the most probable range of trend reversal, and we might have at least a bounce from this range to the downside. And this means from our current price we might have up to 88% of potential profits, and I have to say that we might hit this target by the end of Q2 2022. This means if you are tolerant enough for potential losses, and if you want to accumulate this asset anyways, just do it on every daily red candle, and in this case your average price will be very attractive and you will have the maximum possible ROI on your investment. But if you want to catch the swing trade with this asset, I think it is not the best time to do so, because as I already mentioned, we didn't break the swing low or swing high. This means we cannot project any further movements from the swing trader's position. And that's why I think you have to be cautious. So, if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!